Uzi Effizi's face has been missing from every debut of McAngel comedy videos for the past few months. Just like Dennis Nigwe, fans keep wondering what was going on with McAngel comedy crew behind the camera. So in this video we are going to discuss about that. So watch this video to the end to get the full gist, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi.
Nkem Jikuzoma, popularly known as Uzi Effizi, is not just a comic actor, but also a chef.
Okay guys, I'm done cooking. As you can see, we're all eating already. Yes. So guys, tell my viewers, how did you see the food? That is a lie. That is a lie, come on.
He came into McAngel Comedy in 2017, when Dennis Nigwe was still under McAngel Comedy. Since then, Uzi Effizi has acted a lot of comedy videos with McAngel Comedy. He usually acts the role of anti-success father in many of his McAngel Comedy videos.
Why will you send my child away from school during school hours while her mates are inside learning? And I've paid her school fees.
Your daughter here is causing nuisance in this school.
What kind of nuisance can this child cause in this school that all of you cannot handle?
Papa Success, last week she broke somebody's pencil.
Pencil? I'll buy the pencil.
And yesterday she ate someone's eraser.
Success? You ate someone's eraser?
Though he has become fans' favorite, but his face started missing after he acted Hollywood Standard Part 2, which he did 10 months ago. We also noticed that he relocated from Port Harcourt, Rivers State, where he stayed with McAngel Comedy crew, and moved to Lagos State, where he was featured in most of Exploit comedy videos. Before he left McAngel Comedy, Uzi Effizi has his own YouTube channel, just like Dennis Nigwe, but he has not posted any video recently, though he usually posts his comedy skits on his Instagram page. Talking about his Instagram page, there is no post of his related to McAngel Comedy. It's only the post he wished McAngel happy birthday, which McAngel never replied. Considering all these facts, it's obvious that Uzi Effizi has no business with McAngel Comedy anymore. What might be the reason why Uzi and Denison left McAngel Comedy? Is it that McAngel Comedy is a bad person, or McAngel Comedy is where you come and get popular and then leave to establish your own brand? If that is the reason, then why is it that any actor that leaves McAngel stops supporting the brand that is McAngel that gave them fame? Honestly, there's a lot of things to consider. Just share your opinion in the comment section. For those of you who don't know how McAngel Comedy started, let me break it down for you. In 2012, Dennis Nigwe met his friend McAngel, and together both of them decided to start a media organization that will be based on comedy. That idea gave birth to McAngel Comedy, which is a weekly comedy skit published on YouTube on every Friday. McAngel works mostly with multiple camera formats and close angles. Filming sometimes includes shaky techniques which give them a natural and down-to-earth feel, something that McAngel called freestyle comedy. McAngel primarily films within his family's lower-class neighborhood in Port Harcourt, as a means to portray the environment which he grew up in and also relate with other common people in Nigeria. His comedy video featured a number of people from McAngel family and neighborhood in Port Harcourt. Many of the shots involve clever children, primarily Emanuela and Success. Emanuela is McAngel's longest appearing young actress. She has won comedy awards in Nigeria and Australia for her work with McAngel, and she is Africa's youngest YouTube award winner. She started film work in school as a part of class video project, prior to being chosen by McAngel for his stable of actors. Emanuela's video could reach up to 1 million views during the first week of its upload. McAngel Comedy video received a play from YouTube for having reached 1 million subscribers in 2017. It was the first Nigerian-based YouTube channel to reach that threshold. In 2018, it was announced that Emanuela would be attached to upcoming Disney feature film.
Alright, what up people, it's your boy Uzi Effizi. As you all know, we drip sauce and we pop flavors. Okay, right here at McAngel Studio, and I'm happy. Maken just said he's going to give out 500,000 naira to the first 100 person that's going to follow me on Instagram.
You're mad. You're mad. You
said you're going to give
Who is giving her 500,000 naira?
Ask Abraham, he's in this.
You're mad. I'll delete your Instagram. Come on, give me her.
Hey, see, adulthood is a scam, big time scam, guys, big time scam. You know, I used to think my uncles were very, very stingy. Baba, I lie. Times are hard, very hard. If you have an uncle that's giving you money, kudos. You are lucky. You don't know what God has done for you. Brethren, brothers and sisters, friends, family and foes, I became an uncle for the past 6 years. All my nephews, nieces, brothers, siblings have been asking me for money. Kemjika Uzoma is very broke. I have not even done one thing as an uncle. God bless you.
So guys, a very quick one. Yeah, a very quick one. You know, HIV patients are very shy persons. The ones who have gotten the courage to speak out, I want to say well done. But for those who have not gotten the courage to speak out, I think God is your strength. You actually get the courage to speak out. Now, if you've not checked your status, your HIV status, you get, I've gotten a remedy on how you can check your HIV status in your house. You don't need to go to the hospital. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need any doctor to give you any injection for anything. You get, you could just stay in your house and check your HIV status with just 2 eggs. Yeah, 2 eggs. Now it's simple as ABC. This is what you do. For you to check your HIV status, this is what you do. Break 2 eggs. Get green pepper. Chop them nicely. Put it inside the egg. Onion, little onion, nicely chopped. Then you add a little salt to the egg. Beat the egg very well until a little bit fluffy. Not too fluffy, but a little bit fluffy. Now after beating the egg, put a frying pan on the fire. Fry the egg. Fry it very well. A bit brownish, you know, not too brown, but a bit brownish. Then make a very good tea with Bonvita milk. Drink. Eat your egg. If you have bread, sandwich the egg with the bread and sleep. I'm not your doctor. I'm not here to teach you any HIV curing anything. Did you see Dr. Uzi in this thing? If you are suspecting that you have HIV, go to the hospital and check. We love you too.
Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of Uzi Efizi's comedy skits is your favorite? Drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi.